Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to draw a signature line in Google Documents. Open Google Documents file that you need. Click on Insert at the top tools bar. Choose horizontal line from the list. Type the signature above the line. Let's add another signature line. Click on Insert at the top tools bar. Choose Drawing from the list and click on New. Click on the line at the top tools bar. Select Line from the list. Draw a horizontal line. You can change the color and weight of the line. Click on Save and Close to add it to the document. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!